To be honest with you, when Apple announced the iPhone 13 lineup last year, I was one of those many people who were disappointed that there were no extensive changes to the smartphone at all. Till when I was proven wrong when I got my first hands-on test of the device. Anyways, my name is Alvin Alexa and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing the Apple's iPhone 13 Pro. And if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. Behold the iPhone 13 Pro. To be honest, it lacks difference with the 12 Pro. Besides the sharp edges it has, like those of the iPhone 5s, the surface grim and the chassis feel rigid and substantial without being heavy at all in my hands. As you can see, the 6.1-inch smartphone I have here is in Sierra Blue, but there are more color options available for you, of course, which include graphite, gold and silver. Now, just like last year, the smartphone's screen is covered by a ceramic shield layer, which is supposed to offer additional protection. Now, I'm not a guy who does dropping reviews, but personally I know that ceramic tech offers little protection from scratches, so it's always better to invest in a very good phone case. As usual, some things never change with Apple, and the smartphone is like it features the aging lightning port, which most people hate, and the MagSafe wireless charging, which I like most personally. Among all these samenesses, there are also useful adjustments that I noticed. Like on screen, you will notice that finally Apple managed to shrink the dreaded notch, and for now you can barely notice it. As you can see, I'm trying to play a video of Ed Sheeran, but seriously you can't even see it there. And by the way, the revamped Super Retina Extreme Dynamic Range OLED screen has some better upgrades in color, contrast and brightness, though in some conditions like when I'm outside I experience some glares, though not to that point that they are distracting. Also, what I love about the Pro model of the iPhone 13 is that it adds ProMotion, which allows for variable refresh rates from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, and this is a benefit, for example, when I'm using lower refresh rates, that is to say when I'm reading an article on my website or any website. It increases my battery performance, like my battery lasts longer compared to higher refresh rates, maybe when I'm playing video games. To be honest with you, I don't notice any difference between the iPhone 13 performance and the 13 Pro performance, though in benchmarks, like that is the only way you can tell. The numbers can tell themselves. Anyways, the iPhone 13 Pro, which has the new A15 Bionic CPU, can clock up to 3.21 GHz, which has also a RAM paired with it of 5.56 GB. Anyways, before we go any further, I was disappointed with 5G, because if you were in a country like Uganda or any country without 5G yet, you won't be able to enjoy the faster 5G which the iPhone 13 Pro like delivers. So if you're in a country like Uganda, which it is gonna take 5 years like from now to get 5G, like it will be a turn off for you. Now, going to the camera side of the smartphone, this is where Apple pointed all its guns at, and the camera has got a lot of upgrades. The bokeh is really perfect on subjects which are really close, and those which are far away or at some distance or a certain distance. Trust me, even if you try zooming a subject that is so far, you barely notice the noise in the images. The cinematic mode works very well, trust me. As you can see, it is really so good. And even if you try pointing away the camera and try pointing it again on the subject, there is no lose of focus on the subject. The Selfie is really amazing and outstanding. I have nothing to say on the camera. As you can see it, even if you try zooming in the subject, there is no lose of quality. Trust me, everything looks crystal clear. It really looks so beautiful. And going to the battery side, of course, this is the beast smartphone, and A15 Bionic chip is able to keep the battery, like you will be able to get 13 hours of playing games like Subway Surfers and Call of Duty, whatever game that you love playing. Me, I love playing Garena Free Fire, but I got around 13 hours of non-stop gameplay. And to be honest, all those people saying that this smartphone is not worth the money or upgrading to, they haven't really got their hands onto the device. The smartphone is really a beast and worth upgrading to. But anyways, I'm looking forward to know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. If you have any question about the smartphone, again, let me know in the comments. Smash like if you feel this video was informative or something, and also check out my website in the description below. Also, I've got a iPhone 13 Pro deal in the description. Make sure to check it out. And Black Friday is coming soon. Please subscribe to this channel for more Black Friday updates. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.